Hey there, this is Troy Hippolito with Return Client and ISO Interactive. I just kind of want to show what we're working on and talk about actual website designs. We actually are building this design. It's more of a one-page design here, and there's a lot of effectiveness that you can achieve when you create this. We're actually developing this internally for the Return Client website, and we were using originally a WordPress template, and we pulled all the elements and actually went in Photoshop and implemented this. So we're looking at a way to kind of clean up with a lot of the messiness that goes on. You have a lot of these developers who will just get an idea and they'll develop it really quickly. Well, we spent a good 4 or 5 days of work actually implementing the actual design to make sure it will come out correctly. So you can see that I have a big picture of, actually it's myself, and then we have unique fonts and a title, some areas. The icons will change, and we can determine that. And then it's a little bit about the founder, and this is me. I have a little stupid look on his face. And it says, I'd like to help you design a process you love more than fat kids love cake. All right, so I have a little bit about the founder, about packages, schedule consulting, testimonials, as well as additional testimonials, schedule again, and then available plans, which are pretty affordable depending on your marketing budget. And so this website is really geared towards developing a kind of a relationship type system through LinkedIn, warm email, social media, and a lot of good practice in replying and actually providing value to the customers. And we actually set the icons and to break down all these different plans and what they mean. And also we have a video. Video does a comparison chart of all the different services and why they do it and what they do it, how it works, kind of a explainer video and kind of a funny little marketing 15-second video. And so this is going to be a super simple website that will allow you to purchase and ask questions. And the basic thing is to really schedule consultation because it's a lot of one-on-one type stuff. So I hope you like this. And if and the pricing typically ranges between it's pretty affordable between $2,000 and $10,000. People say, "Oh, I can get a site for $1,000," but if it doesn't really look good and you get a template and kind of pump it out, you kind of get what you pay for. So we spent a number of hours just developing it and designing actually in Photoshop to make sure it's going to look the way it needs to. And so the developer, when they implement, it's not a lot of back and forth. So you're actually, paying for the quality, and it's still relatively affordable. So if you need any help with any simple website development, let me know. If you need help with any actually LinkedIn marketing or business development, let me know. And if you have apps, definitely let me know. All right. Well, thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.